So, what did you think of your first Glitza experience?
It was really, really fun. I didn't think it would be as easy as it was, and it was actually really easy cleanup, and yeah, it was really fun.
Was it what you expected?
It's actually better than I expected. I kind of undermined just like glitter on body or on a product, but when I actually saw the designs, I was really interested and I got really into it.
So speaking of designs, how did you choose your favorite design, or which one you wanted to start with?
I went for the Zen package just because we're in Hong Kong and I was really excited about those. And I really liked the fish, and I went for those. And I liked to kind of cut, which was already made, and make my own too.
Did you enjoy the process of applying Glitza?
Yes, it was really easy. You know, you just peel it off, put the glitter on. I like how you can mix the colors, which was fun.
Could you think of other places in your everyday life that you could use Glitza besides where you got to put it today? I know you had it on a toothbrush case and kind of everywhere, but can you think of like regular places you could put it?
Yes, I could probably put it everywhere, honestly. There's a place for it everywhere.
Do you think your friends and your peers, so people your age, would enjoy using Glitza?
I think my friends would definitely be into it for like special occasions and parties. And of course, I think my nieces would want to wear it like every day anyways.
Is there anyone in your life you would give Glitza to as a gift?
Definitely my nieces, they would go crazy for it.
And what events would you want to have Glitza for?
It would be fun for birthday parties, just having friends over, and it would be fun for going out for special occasions.
Anything else you want to tell us?
I had a great time, and thank you for having me.
Thanks, Claudia.
Thank you, Gloria.